Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on Tradovate if you want to test your trading strategies without risking real money. Let's get started. First, activate the market replay. Log in into your Tradovate account and click Settings icon in the top right corner and go to Add on Tools. Now select Activate More Ads On and find Market Replay and activate it. You'll get a free trial to test before choosing a payment. Step 2 is to launch the Market Replay. From your dashboard, click Access Market Replay and set your settings or testing period by choosing the date and time you want to start your replay session. You can practice trading a big news event or test your strategy during the high volume period. Step 3 is to set replay speed. Tradovate allows you to speed up market action up to 400% so you can test days or trading in just hours. Start slow if you're learning, then increase speed once you're comfortable with your strategy. And step 4 is to trade like it's real. Place orders, set stop, and manage position just like a live trading. Market Replay provides a full market depth and a real tick data so your charts and indicators work exactly like in real time. And lastly, track and refine. You need to take note on what works and what doesn't. Replay the same period multiple times to test different strategies and find the most effective approach. Backtesting on Tradovate is a powerful way to build confidence and improve your trading skills. You get a real market condition without any risk. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.